This isn't news that you're going to want to hear, but ultimately it was my decision, and I wanted you to hear from me. It's been a really, really challenging decision to make.
That was Vishal Garg. In 2021, he fired 900 people in 3 minutes. One click, 900 jobs, gone. In the US, this is called efficiency. In other countries, we call this automatically unfair dismissal, and it cost him millions. To understand why this happened, you would have to look at the map. The US runs on at-will employment. Basically, your boss can fire you because of your attitude, or because the market is down, or because it just feels like it. No warning, no reason, goodbye. But in countries like South Africa, we have what's called the Labour Relations Act, specifically Section 189. If Vishal tries this in Cape Town, he would run into a brick wall. The law here says you cannot just announce a firing. You have to consult. You have to issue a notice. You have to sit down with unions. You have to prove that you tried to save their jobs. You have to discuss severance. It takes months, not 3 minutes. So if a South African boss tries to pull a Vishal on you, don't panic. Don't sign anything, and definitely don't leave that Zoom call, because that Zoom recording is your ticket to the CCMA.